my name is Mansoor. I'm a SAFE program consultant being mentored by Dean Leffingwell. I've been working with organizations like Airbus Helicopters, Optus, Telstra, and many more to enhance their maturity in business agility as well as implementing scaled agile framework. Today I'm going to talk about the program called SAFE for Architects. This two-day program will cover exemplifying Lean-Agile Architect. It helps you set up your DevOps practices, which is nothing but your karma approach. We also in this program talk about release on demand, align architecture with business value, and develop solution vision and intent along with the solution roadmap. The solution intent can be fixed or can be variable. Here we'll talk about creating a solution backlog, implement architecture through TI planning, and the role of solution trained engineer during the two-day program incrementing planning event. This program will help you build capabilities at a solution level, supporting new strategic themes, and leading your organization into the agile transformation journey. I look forward for you to joining this program. Do like, share, subscribe our channel for much more video content. Thank you so much for stopping by and have a safe journey. Thank you.